In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or delete rows and columns in ClickUp. If you're organizing work in a list view, knowing how to quickly manage rows and columns can make your workspace much easier to use. In ClickUp, rows are your tasks, and columns are the fields that display information about those tasks. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add new rows, remove rows you no longer need, add columns, hide them, manage all visible columns, and delete a custom column when necessary. To get started, open the ClickUp list you want to edit. Make sure you're in the correct list view before making changes, especially if you work across multiple folders or spaces. That helps you avoid editing the wrong set of tasks. Once your list is open, scroll to the bottom of the task rows and click Add Task. This is how you create a new row in the list. As soon as you click it, you can type in the name of the task. Enter the task name you want, then press Enter to save it. That new task will appear as a fresh row in your list. If you're adding several rows at once, this is a quick way to build out your task table. If you need to remove a row, find the task you want to delete, right-click on that task row, and select Delete. Be careful with this step, since deleting a task removes that row from the list. It's a good idea to double-check that you're deleting the correct one before confirming. Now let's look at columns. To add a new column, go to the far right of the existing columns and click the plus icon. ClickUp will then let you choose a column. You can select an existing field if you want to show information that's already available, or choose a custom field type if you want to create a brand new column for tracking specific details. If your list starts to feel cluttered, you can hide a column without deleting it. Just click the column name, then select Hide Column. This is useful when you want to simplify the view while keeping the field available for later. To manage all columns in one place, click Columns at the top of the list. From there, you can enable or disable the columns you want to show. This gives you a faster way to customize your layout and control exactly what appears on screen. Finally, if you want to permanently remove a custom column, open the Custom field, click Edit Field, select the Delete icon and confirm the deletion. Make sure you truly want to remove it, since this affects that custom field itself, not just the way it appears in the current view. Thanks for watching.